And even now, if you see my hands are slightly shivering. Qasim Ali Shah, even any other speakers, Sandeep Maheshwari, you talked about him, every one of them, they all feel nervous. I'm here trying to give you some tips in presentation and I'll fail because nobody has learned anything. Well, I tried. मतलब इतना खामोश बैठेंगे तो मैं मुझे लगा पता नहीं I am making you people sleep anyways.
Yes,
What's
yes.
what? Why will they judge you? Are they that perfect? अब आप इसे कौन मुझे जज करेगा? अभी उनका जीवन हाथ में Our very own ex-Prime Minister इमरान खान गिरेगा तो क्या बचपन में नहीं गिरते थे और कितना गिरेंगे? अस्सलाम वालेकुम, क्या हाल है वाले आप लोगों के? हाँ जी, oh yes. अच्छा, so I'm slightly unprepared. You people have to spare me for this again if I stumble anyway. ठीक है? अच्छा, this is the book that I read recently, and before we finally tap into that presentation, I want to have small chit chat with you people. Just tell me how many of you remember our first day in this session? I was sitting somewhere there. What was your panic button? मतलब moment जब आपको लगा कि I was sitting comfortably and now my heart is racing and I'm like something. You felt nervous any moment. Exactly. I was sitting there. I was so easy, comfortable. I had planned the whole day. I was like, sir would go to the stage, would give a long introduction, and then we'll maximum ask our names. I didn't know he would say, come on the stage. मेरा introduction तो होता ही रहेगा. You people come on stage and tell me something about yourself. So that was my panic button, and I'm not making it. Honestly, from that point onward till I finally stepped onto the stage, my legs were shaking. Actually shaking. And even now, if you see, my hands are slightly shivering for no reason. So why did this happen? I'm not much nervous, but it's always happened. Why did this happen? Because we all dread public speaking. Just tell me one or two experiences. What exactly happens to you? जब सर आपको कहते हैं come on the stage, अभी भी, तो what are your feelings? क्या आपको feel होता है? Does your heart race? और आप shake करना शुरू हो जाते हैं? क्यों करते हैं? क्या fears क्या हैं आपके? Just tell me that. We will address it. Anybody? Shaban, आप इतनी savage हैं. You tell me. होता है ऐसा कुछ? There are only two types of speakers. Either you are a liar or you are nervous. Every speaker is nervous. Just tell me. क्या feelings आती हैं आपको? कुछ तो something. ऐसा नहीं कि आप बिल्कुल. Even I think sir आप भी. Every speaker, no matter how great speaker you are, that I learned. I did some research and there was like, it surely happens. Everyone is nervous. Just depends on crowd when you have to face this fear of unknown. पता नहीं क्या होगा? What kind of audience are sitting there? What will I speak? Etc. etc. There is something certain fear. Tell me, what was your fear? Anything. Rejection क्या? किस चीज? क्या? What will they reject? Fear of failure. Anybody from your side? Any volunteer who wants to say this? मुझे पता था आप लोग नहीं करेंगे. आप बताएं. I have हाँ जी. No, that's true. By the way, I noticed one thing about you. When you come in for presentation, you are most of the times nervous. But in our session with that sir, Zahir, Jameel, you were very confident on stage. Maybe because you were. So what is your fear? Is it language barrier or is it otherwise you can't face people? What?
In the morning, I'm a little bit down.
So otherwise. ठीक है. So if any one of you feel nervous, which we all do, first of all just accept it. क्योंकि as I've told you, there is a very famous person, Mark Twain. He said there are only two types of speakers. No matter how great you are, even Qasim Ali Shah, even any other speakers, Sandeep Maheshwari, you talked about him, every one of them, they all feel nervous. So if they feel nervous, why can't we? The first step is start accepting it is totally okay. If your heart is racing, if your legs are shaking or your hands which still is shaking, it's okay. You have to overcome your fears. And I don't honestly understand what is that one fear. What is that wrong with this place? When we are there, we are comfortable. The moment we step on, something happens. What is that thing? I'm unable to understand. Okay, anyways, this is just, I'm trying to giving introduction actually. If you look through it, stats, you'll see people fear snakes, they fear public speaking and height. But what they fear ahead, more than snakes and height, is even public speaking. So this fear, what is that dreadful about it? We don't even understand. I asked her कि आपको क्या है, rejection का क्या डर है, and she took a pause because उसको बस ये था कि मुझे rejection का डर है, क्या डर है? I'm standing here, I'm not being rejected. Even if people reject me in some way, why does it matter that hugely? What people think of you, आपके बारे में क्या judgment बनाते हैं, it doesn't really matter. You have to come out of this hole. No, people are not that free to sit and talk about you or think about you. We are not celebrities. We are general people. We come over here and then we go and then forget you. तो सबसे पहले ये सोचना छोड़ देना that you will come over here अगले 2 दिन तक people will talk about you कि यहाँ पे stumble किया था. I stumble a lot. Just in my recent presentation, I had to say murder and I kind of said something else. My mic fell down. It happens. Okay, so these are all general normal things. You don't really have to be very fearful of it. Fine. अब उसके बाद देखिए people. अब anyways, let's move on. अच्छा, so what is about the agenda of presentation? What I learned from this book, A Guide to Public Speaking, which is basically by Chris Anderson. I'll tell you why public speaking should be learned. I mean, why are we investing our time into learning it? Why should somebody take some time out from the busy schedule and focus on this part? Then we will learn what stops you from being the best. Once we know that we want to be the best public speaker, which we all want. Any one of you just like, I don't want to be a good speaker, I don't really have interest in it. So basically we all want it, right? And then we will see what is stopping us from being the best. What do those people who have reached the higher position or who have better image, what do they do? And then the last is tips to ace your presentation. Absolutely kill it. On YouTube, every one of us have watched before a presentation, 5 ways to kill a presentation or 3 steps, etc., etc. So I'll give you some other tips that I learned from this book. The book is obviously 300-400 pages long. I have taken extracted only the main parts of it. So it is not going to take much time. Take it easy. We'll do it. Okay, fine. The first is why to learn. Why is public speaking important? The first thing, leadership. Good public speakers, they know how to lead crowd. And there I have a very prime example, our very own ex-Prime Minister Imran Khan. The first reason is definitely the World Cup win, which made him famous, but the second reason why the whole youth started following him. You know, he had not really done anything that amazing in politics, but still people followed him. People trusted him that yes, he is going to do, and he had done nothing at that time. Even that time people were believing he will, and they cast a vote for him, and he has very loyal fan following. Why? It is because he is a very good public speaker. He knows how to persuade the crowd. He knows how to play with your minds, not in a good way. He knows how to convince you, how to make you feel that yes, others are saying this, they are not going to do this, but I say this and I mean it. So it is all the power of words. It is all because of his good public speaking skills. It makes you a good leader and it makes you people's favorite. When you are a good speaker, people definitely get inspired from you, and that's a truth. Even if I see somebody speaking well or very well, I do get inspired. I do take lessons from them. I do take my learnings, and it's like it kind of casts a spell on you. And this is something that attracts you a lot about the person. Speaking is very, very important. The first impression is definitely your looks, how you look, how you carry yourself. And the very second impression is how you speak. So this is definitely something you should work on. You should take your time out for this. This is important. The second thing is it helps you making your career. If you are a good public speaker, it will help you as an intern. People will send you to clients because they know you can better convince the client. You can better do better lead the team if you are an audit manager or somebody who is leading an audit team, and even they know that you will communicate better. So it will cast a good impression of their firm to the company, kind of something. You understand? So as an intern, even this is highly important. Are you guys up? Waking? सोना नहीं है आप लोगों ने इधर. I know it's a slightly boring topic. Honestly, I know. I didn't know to do this, but I didn't have much of a choice. I hadn't read any book. यही पढ़ी हुई थी तो मैंने सोचा कर लेते हैं, ठीक है? And another thing is why to learn. It gives you immense confidence. When I came, I told you I was shivering. Now I'm not, because it took me some seconds, but now I'm very confident. And once if I get done with it very well, if I do it very well, my presentation goes well, I certainly feel confident, and not just for a few seconds, but the whole day. Okay? You start appreciating yourself. अच्छा मुझे नहीं पता आप लोगों को क्या लगा था, but I think from my all 4 presentation, which one I liked most was my first presentation. And after my first presentation, honestly, the whole day I was smiling for no reason. I was just so happy that I did it because I had prepared a lot for it and it went well according to me. और बाकी मेरी दोस्त का डिफरेंट ख्याल था इसके बारे में, लेकिन मुझे लगा वो अच्छी गई तो it gave me confidence. And once you have given a good speech, the next time when you come onto stage, you know there are expectations, and then you try more well, and then you do it well. So there are hundreds of benefits why you should learn speaking. So if you ever think that's not something you should, that's something you can take for granted, no you cannot. Okay? So we know why to learn it. You all want to learn it. You all want to be good speakers. Are you sure? थोड़ा बोलने easy होता है, लेकिन आप लोग इतना मतलब इतना खामोश बैठेंगे तो मैं मुझे लगा कि पता नहीं I am making you people sleep anyways.
Yes,
What's
yes.
what? हाँ जी, थोड़ा सा रिस्पॉन्स दें आप भी. What stops you from being the best presenter? What is your fear? She said her fear is rejection. And you said otherwise it's just the morning thing, otherwise you are okay with it. Okay? Some people, every person has some fear. Some people, they have the fear of being judged. Now again, I told you, I said it in the first few minutes of my presentation, what are you so afraid of? Why will they judge you? Are they that perfect? अब आप में से कौन मुझे जज करेगा? Anybody who is perfect. Otherwise मैं भी तो आपको जज करूंगी ना, ठीक है? मतलब this is something that is inevitable. You cannot really uproot it. Honestly, आप हंस रहे हैं, मैं आपको सीरियस बता रही हूँ, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता. आपको लगता है will come here and people will judge me, let them judge you. Why does it even matter? Why does it matter this hugely? It should never. आपको क्या लगता है? Fear of failure? I'm trying to convey a message. I'm here trying to give you some tips in presentation and I'll fail because nobody has learned anything. Well, I tried. That was in my control. I did. Now learn करना ना करना, this was on you. It was on you. Were you sleeping or were you awake or were you actually learning or were you just thinking कि end में सवाल क्या पूछना है? वो आप पर डिपेंड करता है ना आप किस दिमाग से मेरी प्रेजेंटेशन को सुन रहे हैं. That is your thing. That's not my concern. I'm trying my best. That's it. ये दिमाग में रख के जब आप जाएंगे ना, you can kill it actually. Third thing is fear of embarrassment. Maybe I'll fall. मतलब what's the worst that can happen in stage? I'll plunge off the stage. मुंह के बल गिर जाऊंगी मैं. ये माइक गिर जाएगा. किस चीज की embarrassment आपको? You have to overcome it. Nothing is embarrassing. Stumble कर जाएंगे तो कर जाए तो हमें नहीं करते. आप बाकी जो बैठे वो नहीं stumble करते. They all do this. What is that wrong in it? Fear of unknown. I don't know what kind of audience are. For example, the first day when we came here, we didn't know about the audience. We could not read them. We didn't know how would they react. Fine. Go there, try to read them, and then just deliver. Let's see how they respond. And whatever the response is, then you have to adapt yourself according to that. And that is what makes a public speaker good. Okay? If somebody, for example, you were the one sitting there in my first presentation, he started asking me questions, right? I really enjoyed that portion. अब otherwise मुझे होता कि यार मतलब एक fear ये भी होता है ना कि मतलब maybe they will ask me something that I won't be able to answer. ठीक है, ये भी होता है ना, तो क्या हो जाएगा? What? You are not a teacher. You are not teacher. You're not somebody who people have a lot of expectations from. Even they know that you know only the confined limit of knowledge. Your knowledge is not like an ocean. That's obviously very limited. So it's okay. They don't expect a lot from you. Even if you're not able to answer, just try your best. Give your best. Be confident. Try to convince them. If they are convinced, good for them. If they are not, let them think it other way. That's their problem. That's not your problem. So जो भी आपके fears है, you just have to overcome it. इसके अलावा आपको कोई fear है, just tell me. क्या fear? इसके अलावा क्या fear हो सकता है? आपको लगता है स्टेज पे स्नेक आ जाएगा? Who is that person?
आपने स्लाइड में शो तो की थी.
नहीं हाँ जी वो मैंने किया था. I am saying in public speaking, what is your fear, sir? When you come on stage, what scares you?
क्या कर रहे हो?
हाँ जी, any fear आपको लगता है? आप देखे ना, आप लोग भी तो यहाँ पे शिविर करते ना. You were the one जिसको लड़के ने दोबारा presentation ली. When you first came onto the stage, what was your fear? अब यहाँ पे भी आप बैठे हैं. You can have a big argument with anybody. If somebody says you anything, you can have a long argument on it. But what here? What is that wrong in this one small distance? Seriously, just tell me. Think. आपको था ना कि I'm afraid I can't do this. Why can't you do this? You were telling yourself, I am afraid. Why were you? Did you even know this? बस दिस बस, यू हैव टू अप्रूव दिस बस, कि मुझे आपको वाकई नहीं पता, मैं यहाँ पे आई थी तो क्या था, मैं वहां पे तो बैठी थी, why were you shivering? This is what we people, we all need to work on. There is nothing wrong with this place. These people, they're not judges, they're just listening to you, you have to keep them engaged and that's it. अब ये हो गया हमारा, nothing stops us from being the best. You can be Qasim Ali Shah, you can be Imran Khan, you can be Barack Obama, whatever you want. ठीक है, we all can be the best speakers. All we have to do is take your time out, learn it, ठीक है, and try to overcome your fears. Next is how to kill a presentation. We have all watched a lot of videos how to kill, ठीक है ना, we all know this, so I'll try to speed up my process. The first is choose topic. अच्छा, this is very important. I'll tell you how. See, जब आप topic choose करते हैं, you have to look for something which is close to your interest. When sir said you have liberty to choose whichever topic you can, in our first presentation we had this liberty, right? Still some of we went to Chrome or AI and asked for the best topics for presentation. Why? That is when you people start feeling disinterested in your own presentation. You are taking a topic which is not even in your interest. You don't really like it. You will never be able to put your 100% into it because you yourself are forcing it on yourself. अभी ऐसे बहुत सारे टॉपिक थे, आई डोंट रियली रिमेंबर, लेकिन ऐसे थ्योरेटिकल टॉपिक्स जिसको nobody would like to do, ठीक है ना, बट स्टिल वी वर डूइंग, वी जस्ट हैड द प्रेशर टू डू द प्रेजेंटेशन, हमने कुछ भी पकड़ा एंड वी डिड इट. Only if you had the topic which is close to your heart, believe me, 70% of presentation is killed there. For example, most of the times you choose stock market and everything. ठीक है, in every presentation he somehow brings it in. And honestly, I never get bored because he always shares his experiences. He always has something to say. आप कोई presentation दें, his questions, he has stock market because that is his interest and he likes speaking on it. And if you ask, I think, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आप 15 मिनट क्या आप उस पर आधा घंटा पौना घंटा भी बोल सकते हैं. You will not be tired of it. आपको ये नहीं होगा 5 मिनट में देखिए I have to go because that is what you like speaking on. ठीक है, so always choose a topic which is close to your heart. Never ever go for some theoretical such topics which you don't yourself like. आपको सुनना पसंद नहीं. If you don't like it, you can never ever grab the attention of your audience. Second tip is pen everything down. This is very important. Okay, 90% of us what we do is we make our slides and then we're like, अच्छा वहाँ जाके I'll speak this. I don't really have to write it down. If you don't write things down, there is a definite chance that you will forget the major points. Something जो लिखते हुए that comes to your mind and that is very valuable, there are 100%, 99% chances you will forget it here. So what you're supposed to do, what good speakers do, they write everything down. First of all, they choose a topic and then they write something that they like about it, they know about it, they will write it down, then they will do the research, write that down, और फिर उसको summarize करके they will make a whole page or 2 pages and then they will read it once or twice. वो आप ही के words होंगे लेकिन आपने इसको एक आध दफा practice किया होगा. For example, for this presentation, I couldn't really practice anything, but for my first presentation, I did. Almost 75% of my part was prepared, because I did it with the whole of my heart. अभी तो I was just कि चलो हो जाए. तो आपने इसको pen down जरूर करना है. इससे क्या होगा, आप कुछ भूलेंगे नहीं, and you when you come onto the stage, you're confident. वो fear of what if I forget नहीं होगा आपको. You understand it? For example, I asked her, and she said, I never write anything down. I'm like, I'll go there, see the slide, and speak. So this is what scares us. We're like, अगर मैं भूल गया तो क्या होगा या भूल गई. Next is in slides, never write such slides. If you have any language barrier, which is so obvious, English is not our language. Our language is either Punjabi or Urdu, and English is our not native language. ठीक है, so there is no shame in saying कि मुझे English नहीं आती है. There are so many people who have been living in Punjab for years and they say हमें पंजाबी नहीं आती है. If they can say, also you can say नहीं आती English, it's okay, but you have to learn it. It's our official language. और ये भी नहीं, you can't say कि English is not my language, I'm not going to learn it. If you want to grow, you have to. Unfortunately or fortunately, this is our official language. So rather than writing such paragraphs, try to make short sentences, just do the bullet points and then try to speak sentences yourself. Maybe shorter, concise, simpler. You don't have to bring fancy words into it. You're not there to impress them through your vocabulary, but your visions, your ideas. ठीक है? तो English is never something which should stop you. छोटे sentences बनाएं and just kill it. You can. अच्छा, next point is, अब जब ऐसी होती है ना, देख के you feel so bored. Honestly, if I tell you as an audience or somebody will agree, अब ऐसे slide में somebody is reading, it won't really grab your attention. Yes. ठीक है, और आपको होगा कि कब आई विल गो बैक, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट इज बी ओवर प्रिपेयर्ड, इट इज अबाउट टू एंड, आई नो इट्स गेटिंग बोरिंग, ठीक है। बी ओवर प्रिपेयर्ड का क्या मतलब होता है कि आपने, इफ यू हैव टू डिलीवर 100%, you should be 200% prepared. For example, if you have to give a 10-minute presentation, you should be prepared for at least 20 minutes speaking. You never know, कभी ऊपर नीचे टाइम हो सकता है, you have to speak. You have to do your research very well, so that आपको ये नहीं हो कि somebody will ask me something and I wouldn't be able to do this. Read from Chrome, do AI search these days, that's very popular and we all know this, ठीक है। हाँ जी, चैट जीपीटी, एंड देयर आर सो मेनी अदर वेज, लेकिन अपनी रिसर्च अच्छी रखें, इट गिव्स यू सो मच कॉन्फिडेंस। फॉर एग्जांपल, इन माय थर्ड प्रेजेंटेशन बिजनेस वाली, एंड इवन इन माय फर्स्ट प्रेजेंटेशन, ऑनेस्टली आई न्यू द काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस दैट वर गोइंग टू कम माय वे। ही आस्क्ड मी अबाउट इन्वेस्टमेंट, कि क्यों करें ये वो, आई न्यू दिस एंड आई वाज स्लाइटली ऑलरेडी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर इट, मुझे पता था मैंने कहाँ पे क्या जवाब देना। So you have to, आपको देखना है, imagine yourself as an audience and think what would you ask if you were to ask, and then just answer it yourself, and then most probably audience भी आप ही के mindset के यहाँ पे बैठी है, nobody is more brilliant than you, just stop underestimating and overestimating other people, ठीक है। अपने आप को underestimate नहीं करना और ना ही दूसरों के बारे में सोचना maybe they are so brilliant, I will not be able to match their level of intelligence. There are one to few people always everywhere who are creative, but that's their a good point, there must be something good in you as well. You just have to realize, ठीक है। ओवर प्रिपेयर होना इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, इससे आपका फियर ऑफ फेलियर भी जाएगा, फियर ऑफ अननोन भी थोड़ा सा कम हो जाएगा। एंड नेक्स्ट इज लास्ट 2 मिनट प्लान, ये प्लान दिस इज हाईली इंपॉर्टेंट। पानी पी के आए, जरूर पिए, इट हेल्प्स लुब्रिकेट्स योर वोकल कॉर्ड्स, इससे आप इजी होते हैं, आपके लिप्स ड्राई नहीं होते हैं जब हम ज्यादा बोलते हैं, जैसे अभी भी आप ज्यादा बोलेंगे तो your lips gets dried. How many of you experienced it? It's very natural. But none of you really drank water here over on the stage because you were like, अब मैं presentation छोड़ के पानी पीऊं। हालांकि अगर आप पी लेते तो शायद आप ज्यादा बेहतर परफॉर्म कर पाते। नहीं, it's very natural, ठीक है। आप दरम्यान में सर भी तो पानी पी लेते हैं, दरम्यान में तो आप भी पी ले, इसमें क्या है। अभी मैं भी पीऊंगी कुछ देर बाद। आपने पानी जो है वो साथ आते हुए पानी के 2-3 सिप you have to take. Water intake is highly important. Bring a bottle with you next time to relax. Your heart is most of the time is racing. Sometimes you're breathing very uncomfortably when you're sitting and you have to come and you're like, oof, what to do? What you're supposed to do is you have to take a long, deep breath 2 times, 3 times and just relax yourself and then just walk slowly. Jaldi se bhagte hue nahi aana. That also will increase your heartbeat or maybe your breathing rate, and then you will not be able to speak that fluently and that comfortably. आसानी से सुकून से आए, you will look confident as well, otherwise you look nervous. And don't move a lot on stage, that's what I have observed. अगर आप move ज़्यादा करते हैं, audience is never able to focus on you, and then you kind of loses the focus of audience, and then that's where your presentation fails, ठीक है। And next is on stage plan, आपको क्या करना है? ये posture is highly important, ठीक है। You have to stand very straight. Why our posture is not that good when we stand onto the stage? Sometimes because we are not confident. ठीक है, these shoulders will be hunched over because we feel slightly nervous. Just like we usually roll our arms. This is also one of the signs that you are nervous. You have to keep your shoulders straight. It will help you feel more confident about yourself, even not only audience. Even you will feel that okay, fine, I'm doing well. खड़े होना practice it. हम सबको आदत होती है थोड़ा सा आगे होके खड़ा होते हैं, या on one leg we start, even I do, but I try not to. Next is put on a good smile. अब again से कहते हैं अक्सर कि you have to bring some very emotional stories ताकि आपसे connect करें. That's amazing. That's everybody says this. But another thing which is equally important, which even he told us, put on a big smile on your face. There's a guy who sits somewhere here. I think his name is Junaid, who smiles a lot. The moment he steps onto the stage, he has a big smile on his face. Every time he steps onto the stage. You know what does it do? It uplifts the audience. At least as an audience, I have observed it. Even if he doesn't have, I'm not saying he doesn't have, even if somebody who doesn't have a lot good to say, or who is not that good at speaking, but the moment he steps and he uplifts the crowd, you feel good. You're like, okay, fine, something good is about to come. ठीक है, और आपके भी चेहरे पे अचानक से स्माइल आ जाती है. And that anxiety आपकी भी, and also that awkwardness between you and audience, it just goes down. Putting on smile on your face, it's highly, highly important. ठीक है, उसके बाद eye contact, जाएं, खड़े हो, ठीक है, and then look into the eyes of the audience. यहाँ वहाँ देखने से ना, presentation से जो पहले 2 मिनट होते हैं, when we are just putting it here or this mic we are keep मतलब taking it etc. Make sure कि आपका eye contact हो जाए सब. एक मर्तबा हो गया, it's over. That fear it goes down. अब कुछ भी नहीं है. Eye contact से क्या होता है? There was this one guy, I don't remember, he was giving presentation on perception and he was standing here and he looked very nervous. We were noticing it, right? And we were like, just see once here on this side. I don't know about you people, but we really wanted him to feel relaxed. And we were like, just see this side, just have a good eye contact. You will realize everybody is equally nervous and want you to perform very well. जब आप देखेंगे नहीं, आपको लगेगा पता नहीं how audience are feeling, how they maybe think that I'm not able to do this and वही fear of rejection etc. But once you see into the eyes, you're like, no. When you are nervous, honestly, audience is 90% of them are nervous and 90% of them want you to do your best. It's only few who kind of mock you, the rest they want you to give your best. So every time you come onto the stage, make sure आप एक दफा अपना eye contact बना लें, that fear goes down. And at the end, just tell yourself, if they can, also I can. उनमें ऐसा क्या है जो वो कर सकते तो मैं क्यों नहीं कर सकता? ये कर सकती. अब आपकी self esteem का मसला बनाए ना इसको. If somebody is speaking well here, you also have to. Why can't you? Why do you tell yourself, no, they can, because I don't know why they can, but I cannot. You can. It's not an art. Public speaking is not an art. It's a skill. It can be learned. All you need to do is focus on it and then practice it. Take it serious. Almost last. Okay, while delivering, you have to keep it short and simple. That's something I really struggle on. I always elongate things. Honestly, I try not to. अभी उनको जुबान याद नहीं है. तो you have to keep it short and simple. ठीक है, ताकि आपका ऑडियंस सोए नहीं. मेरी बहुत लंबी हो गई है, आपने इस पे काम करना है. ठीक है, you have to keep it short. And the second thing is interaction. This is important thing. It's a very good tip. Interact करते हुए just don't have to say tell me yes or no, or you don't have to say just show hands is enough. No, ask them something which will put their mind to thinking. They should think something ताकि वो engage, उनको लगे कि हाँ again she will ask something or he will ask something. We have to be prepared. We have to listen to them. ठीक है, थोड़ी लंबी इंटरेक्शंस रखें ताकि उनको भी जो है वो अपना इंटरेस्ट खुद ब खुद बिल्ड करें. एक्सक्यूज मी सर, लास्ट में खत्म हो रही है, थोड़ा सा इंतजार करें. अच्छा जी, एंड लास्ट इज स्ट्रॉन्ग एंडिंग. कोई स्टोरी बता दें एंड में अपने पॉइंट्स को समराइज कर दें. आप पे डिपेंड करता है या उन पे कोई क्वेश्चन ऐसा पूछ लें. जस्ट आस्क देम समथिंग व्हिच they should think about for the last 2-3 minutes या 2-3 days. कुछ ऐसा जिसपे वो एटलीस्ट उनका फोकस आ जाए कि हाँ दिस इज समथिंग आई हैव नेवर थॉट एंड आई एम श्योर. लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, प्रेजेंटेशन ऐसी होनी चाहिए कि 4 लोग 4 दिन तक आपके बारे में बात जरूर करें. एवरी टाइम दे लिसन टू दैट टॉपिक एंड दे आर लाइक यस, वो आपको एसोसिएट करें उस टॉपिक के साथ. ऐसी प्रेजेंटेशन रखें आपके टॉपिक से लोग आपको याद रखें एंड दे शुड टॉक अबाउट यू. ठीक है, that's it. Thank you.
Thank you.